These pineapple toothpick beads are so popular that I found more different color on Amazon. You guys always like it whenever I film them. So they're only $20 each. You see, you can put a lanyard, rope it to it, and have it like on a knife or whatever. And this one is kind of like a different color. And then you have right here actual pick to take out maybe a splinter or use it like a toothpick. And it's threaded. You can put it through here. So different color, beautiful pineapple right here. There's other ones that is a lot of different colors. You'll have to buy it from China if it's on eBay. But I bought this one's from Amazon, so it's a couple of days shipment. Like a 10 color, I guess. There you go. That's beautiful. Little toothpick and bead at the same time. There's more colors. Let's see which one is this one is all about. This color is getting pretty popular. You see it has this kind of like heated treated or something. That one has a good looking colors to it. And then there's one more like neon green. Thought it was kind of cool. And again, if you use it on a lanyard, it looks really nice, but in my opinion looks way better whenever you put it to here. And look at that color. They're pineapples. That is cool. So they go 4 different colors. Which one is your favorite? I think this would be my favorite than that. And that one are just kind of cool and funky. Some people will like different colors. I get them all, why not? And this one right here, like neck arrowhead. So like a little necklace in a sense. With a fire starter. And to pull out the arrowhead, you gotta release that and pull this out, and look at that beautiful arrowhead. I don't know if you guys seen this one before, but this one is so nice. I know it's not very sharp here or here, just right here. So just very interesting little gadget. And to put it away, just slide it in, make sure this goes over and tighten it up. It'll sit in there. That's it. And then you have a little fire starter over here. Pretty interesting pendant necklace, isn't it? Looking pretty cool. This one is a strange one. Very unique invention. This is a torch. The Piglet. We're gonna fill it up real quick. There's a on and off, I guess, or higher or lower. Let's do it a little bit lower. And there you go, you have a torch. Double torch. How weird is that? And it's a little piglet. That is just strange. And that's what it looks like in the dark. As you can see, it's pretty powerful. Funniest light I've ever seen. And this side here is a safety. Got it here, miniature folding table. This one is pretty interesting and unique. So you got 3 little panels. One has a tube and another one has a tube and one in the middle. So you're going to grab these legs, put it to this first tube, line it up, put it to the second tube, and then what we're going to do is stretch it up and lock this into the panels. Boom. Same thing right here. Put it to the tube, put it to the second tube, and then stretch it out and lock it. And then you have right here a really nice, pretty big table. So if you have a low chair, or like you're sitting on the ground, you have something to cut your food on. I don't know, like a cutting board, or set up some like plates with food. That is pretty cool. And to take it apart, you just take off the tension and pull this out. Same thing right here. Very cool invention. I love it whenever they give you an options for your camping gear. There you go. Very easy, put it in the pouch. Next I got here SOG Folding Scissors, and this is really unique. You open this way and this way. You see there is actual finger holds. You put your 2 fingers over here, 1 finger here, and it works just like regular scissors. That's it. This SOG is so cool. Really cool company. Is there any other tools in here? So there's a bottle opener and some kind of screwdriver. There's a toothpick, plastic one. And I think this is gonna be your tweezers. You see? They're tweezers. But mainly this is just folding scissors. It's just so unique, I love it. One of a kind folding scissors. And a SOG, very reputable company. I like them a lot. This is pretty vintage. And then you can hang it on a keychain. Bringing back another USC titanium spork, titanium super light. So I love their packaging. You take this off. Usually they have plastic ones, and I love the USC sporks because it's kind of like a full-on fork with somewhat knife and a really deep spoon. So you got a fork and a spoon, and it's a really nice deep edible with soup. I really like it. It's somewhere between teaspoon and a regular soup spoon. So this is nice, and I love it how deep that is. So you could definitely actually use it. And usually they have made only plastic ones. This is new. They just came out with it. Titanium, much stronger, and it's still very light, just like a plastic one. Next I got right here another folding table, but much bigger. Let's see what's about. It's the same brand as the first one. Little rubber band over here. Alright. It wants to go in pretty easily. It's one of those little bit of a tedious item, but it is worth it because it breaks up into small pieces. And then there's clamps. Just clamp it all up to make it more sturdy. Next we got our panels, and you're just gonna put them together. I'll start with the corner ones. That's the only two things you gotta figure it out which one is which. And it pops in pretty good. So you have a nice size table, and it's still hiking. It's not falling apart. Stays tight. We can cook on it, do the prepping, put all our equipment in here, whatever we have to do. It's pretty nice. Break it up again. Look how easy that is. You just kind of pop it out, so it's not so easy for it to fall apart. And then whenever you pull this out, you fold this and put it down this way. That's it. This side here, you just fold them together as a stackable pieces, so that way you have more space. Probably good idea to keep the rubber band because it always want to unfold on you. And let's see if it'll fit back in. No problem. Pretty nice little table. Honestly, I have seen a better tables, easier to unload it, but this one is very unique, not very heavy either.